How to deposit checks in Cash App. First things first, open up your app and tap your current wallet balance in the very bottom left corner. Mine is sitting right at $150. From there, just scroll down the menu until you see the option labeled Checks and go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll land on a quick info page outlining your account's monthly deposit limits. Once you give that a quick glance, hit Continue. Now, you just need to type in the exact amount of your check. For this example, let's say we are depositing a standard $250 check. Type it out on the keypad and hit Confirm Amount. Before we pull out the camera, Cash App is going to ask you to double-check a few details to make sure nothing gets rejected. Make sure the check is made out to your legal name, like John Doe here, and verify that the check amount perfectly matches the $250 you just typed in. If everything looks good, check the confirmation box and tap Confirm Front of Check. Flip the check over and do the exact same thing for the back. Make sure you've signed it and written Cash App Deposit cleanly right under your signature line. Then confirm the back. Now for the final step, scanning the check. Grab your physical check, separate it from any other papers, and lay it flat on a solid dark background so the camera can see the edges clearly. Tap Take Photo for the front, snap a crisp picture, and then repeat the exact same process for the back. Once both photos are loaded, just hit that green Submit $250 check button at the bottom. And that's it. As long as all the information matches up perfectly, your funds will typically clear and be available in your account within 1 to 3 business days. Now, if you're looking at your screen right now and you don't even see the Checks option, don't panic. It usually just means the feature hasn't rolled out to your specific account tier yet. Try updating your app in the App Store first, or reach out to Cash App support directly to see when it will be available for you. Hopefully this helps. If you want to know how to move those funds from your app balance right into your personal savings account, make sure to click over and watch my next video on how to transfer money from Cash App to bank. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you over in that next video.